welcome to my channel. You'll see it here, lots of bad memories coming down to working out stuff. But today I wanted to show you how to make some thick slime. So you need is a container to mix with something to mix with. So yeah. Then you need a glue and 300 shampoo. So I'm using this glue and it's Little Monsters PVA glue. Any PVA glue will work. So I got this just for today. Add $1 and some 3-in-1 shampoo. So yes, so I'm gonna get your container, and you wanna wait. Let me open the glue first of all. I don't know how to open it, but it's coming out. Oh, glue has this little black thing. See that? It's so annoying. Got it. This little PVA glue. Okay. Where's my container? Right here. Okay. Cool. Yay! It's coming out. So I want to just put lots of glue in. And I can do a little bit of slime, so you make a little bit of slime so you don't waste stuff. So I'm going to show you how much I gave you. That much. And you have to add like a quarter. Do you know what a quarter is? You have it and you have it again. Oh. A quarter of orange shampoo. So that's basically like one little dot for this because I'm a little bit fine. That's actually seriously one dot of that. Now you can't really see it because it's also white. So I stir it. There was green glue at the bottom because I wanted mine to have green glue in. So it's not as that thick. Like, I want you to see. I don't know if you're gonna see. Wait a minute. So, I know it kind of show, but I don't know if it'll show you. Do you see that guy? Oh my god. I can't do it, guys. As you can see, it's very watery. Not as that way of it, but it's like water trying to get thicker. So you gotta leave this to like dry. Put in the freezer for like 5 or 10 minutes. Jesus, I'm so sorry. And yeah, it might harden because the freezer helps it harden. It won't unfreeze because glue and just help it. I added loads more glue, as you can see. I hope you saw that. Hope you did. So I'm gonna just stir it. Oh my god, it actually did make it thicker because glue hardens, doesn't it? PVA glue goes to like rock solid when you, yeah, and the shampoo just makes it a bit more like, doesn't harden because the thinner shampoo is thick, so it's gonna make it thick, but also like it doesn't dry as glue. So yeah. It's not that watery, but I want to show the consistency. It's the consistency just of glue, just the consistency. I want to show you guys, right? Let me put it back up here. So as you can see, it's so much more thicker. So yeah, and go and check out my part 2 of this of me after 15 minutes. So I'm gonna set the time on my tablet, and yes, so thanks for watching. Subscribe on the part 2, please, and please like these videos because I don't have that much likes, and seriously, I started my channel for like a month ago, so just please like. If you get this video to 10 likes, just put the comments down below what I should do when I have 10 likes. So thanks for watching, bye.